Let's see how we can take what we've done on this project and fully define our BOM structures. First, we want to be able to add some items that are not going to be on the solid model. We can easily jump into the bill of materials for our scooter track assembly and see the same structure that PDM creates automatically, and add any records to make sure we capture the entire engineering bill of materials. In this case, we'll add some thread lock and some grease. Now, as a project manager or a purchaser, I may want to work with these files so I can start to source out vendor and materials and work out my other BOM configurations. But these are still being actively worked on by the designers, and we can only have files checked out by one user at a time. Well, this is where we can easily create linked records, and SOLIDWORKS Manage automatically copies the entire BOM structure with direct links to the original parts. So we can source out the required information and manipulate the records as needed without stepping on engineering's toes. Let's create a master bill of materials record that can hold any BOM variants that we need. This could be for multiple locales, so we account for different language requirements or available vendors, or it could be for monitoring manufacturing BOMs or shipping BOMs. In this case, we need to know which parts are going to be kitted together, as our manufacturing facility and assembly facility are not in the same place. So we can start with capturing our engineering bill of materials with a quick copy of all of our records and getting them to where they need to be. For our kit BOM, we can add records for the different kit types we will be using. And we can now simply copy and paste between bills of materials to quickly create our kit BOM variant. The BOM functionality in SOLIDWORKS Manage makes it easy and effective to take care of your BOM requirements, and if you ever need a quick snapshot of your information, the built-in reporting capabilities make it fast to be able to create feature-rich content in seconds, whether it's a BOM structure, project details, or any other reporting your company may need. If you'd like to find out more about how we can help out your bill of materials, get into contact with Javelin today.